What we do with artificial intelligence is a choice. I was having a conversation with Tim O'Reilly for a podcast not that long ago, and he brought up this very interesting concept when we were talking about AI and jobs and what the future of work is going to look like. And although there's a lot of debate and discussion around AI and its ability to take away and replace jobs, Tim brought up a very interesting point, which is that it's a choice. We can either design organizations who use AI to replace humans, or we can build organizations who use AI to augment humans. And he brought up the case of Amazon. And Amazon has used AI and automation quite a bit throughout its factory floors. They use AI inside for knowledge workers. They use AI with little robots that go and bring products to people, that take their products out of the shelves and put them in boxes. If there's any organization that's relied heavily on AI and automation and robots, it's been Amazon. But for all the jobs that Amazon has replaced with AI, they've created far more. They may have replaced tens of thousands of jobs, but have created hundreds of thousands of jobs. That's because an organization like Amazon has made a commitment that it's going to create jobs, not just to replace them. They do this not just by retraining and upskilling workers, by investing in new business areas, by changing the game in every area that they look at. Whether it's stores, whether it's e-commerce, whether it's phones, whether it's TVs, they're constantly shifting around their business. And as they go into these different businesses, they bring more jobs to those areas. So AI and the impact that it's going to have on our organizations is a choice. We can choose to just stay in one place and automate every worker that we have there. Or as leaders of our organizations, we can decide that we're going to change our business model. We can decide instead that we're going to augment humans, not replace them. But again, the choice is ours to make. So, will AI replace your workers, or will it augment them?